In the quiet of the falling snow, love begins that time won't overthrow. Through the cycles endless and unbroken, every whisper, every word is spoken. Winter's hush carries memories, frozen moments locked in time's deep seas. Spring arrives with the hope we knew, blooming hearts in a world renewed. But seasons turn and shadows fall. Through it all, we've weathered it all. Through every season, I feel your embrace. In winter's stillness, in summer's grace, a love unbroken, a bond so true. Through autumn's fading, I'm holding you. Summer's fire lights the sky above, burning brightly, a reflection of our love. Autumn winds take the leaves away, but in their flight, I hear you say, stay. Though time may steal the days from view, it cannot fade what's pure and true. Through every season, I feel your embrace. In winter's stillness, in summer's grace, a love unbroken, a bond so true. Through autumn's fading, I'm holding you. Even when the night is cold and long, your voice is the echo in my song. Though